Alright guys, we're back with another one. And this is an invisible mini Bluetooth by QCY. This is the Q26. So here we have it. This is the QCY. This is a invisible mini Bluetooth. And you guys know I like mini Bluetooths, man. So let's get this sliced open. I'm literally slicing it. So let's get into this. So nice wooden packaging. I like that. Let's get this out, man. Okay, so it's a box within a box. That's cool. Put that to the side. And here we go. So this should be a nice small mini Bluetooth. Two size air tips, medium and small, really small. You have a USB to micro USB. So micro USB to USB. You have a little booklet here with warranty information and everything. Here we have the Bluetooth itself. So this Q26 is a mini invisible Bluetooth, and yes, that is small. So nice size. It actually looks pretty good, and it looks like it's gonna fit in the air with ease. This is hot, man. QCY branding right there, and this is a nice small black device that's just gonna plug right in your ears. And just in case, we might have to use a hook, but other than that, I think this is gonna fit in the air pretty good. So let's get it powered up. So this is the hang up button. You got a couple of areas here for mics, I believe. You have a little area here. Is the small micro USB port. It was so tight to get in. I actually had to use something sharp to get in there. So there that goes, slips right back in. So let's get this turned on. See what this light is. So I heard something. It should be in pairing mode. Where is the light? So small. So we got the Q26 all charged up and it's ready to go. So let's hold down the power button and let's check out. Okay, power on. All right, we're in pairing mode. So let's go into the note. Let's get into Bluetooth, and there you go. QCY Q26. Put that in pairing. And what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go straight into the sound test, but I'm gonna take a listen to it myself. This Bluetooth sounds so phenomenal, man. I was just like, wow. If they, I'm so spoiled of having left and right channels, having that stereo sound. It sounds kind of weird hearing it only in one ear, but they sound phenomenal. This is a great Bluetooth for when you're wearing a suit, when you're at a funeral, you don't want nothing really hanging from your ear. This is tucked in your ear, Secret Service style. I like this Bluetooth. Fits in the air real snug. Don't need no hook. Don't need anything. A matter of fact, you can't. It just fits right in your ear. This is on point. So let's go straight into the sound test. This Bluetooth sounds so good. The quality is there. The size is there. We're going to test this out. Now, according to the site on Amazon, they're saying it's going to give you 3 hours of continuous play, and it's going to give you, I believe it said 1 or 2 hours talk time, whatever it is. I'm going to come back with a review of this Bluetooth. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to see how's the battery life. I'm going to see if it's going to stay in my ear. I'm going to use this Bluetooth, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys that this is worth the buy. But definitely, first impressions, this is on point. So, this is the QCY Q26 invisible mini Bluetooth that just fits in your ear. This is hot. So pretty much with that, we'll see you in the next one. This is on point. This is hard to stand up, man.